Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to share with you guys something that I decided to add to my collection end of last year. That is the Senref Area Belt Bag. I'm excited to share that with you guys. If you're a handbag lover, I'm sure you heard about the brand before. Even if you're not, I'm sure you are going to love the bag. It's such a beautiful and versatile bag, guys. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Esther. Do consider subscribing. Just click the subscribe button down below. Without further ado, let's get started. If you're new to Senref brand, Senref was actually born in 2016 and I've been eyeing on this brand since then. I believe the first bag that they released was a laptop related bag, but I'm not a laptop bag kind of person, so I didn't purchase at that point until they released this Area Belt Bag. I am so attracted to this bag, guys. It is so me, this bag. So versatile, so beautiful, and the price point, it is so affordable, but the quality you're getting it, you will be impressed, guys. I'm going to show you guys. This is the parcel that I received from them. It's very solid. We do not need to worry that the bag inside will be damaged. Of course, it doesn't look very impressive, but we don't judge the book by its cover, guys. The good stuff is really inside. Let's unbox this together. Very simple black box.
Ta-da!
So there's this pastel color Senref paper on it. This is a thank you note from Senref. Thank you note. There is a dust bag and the Senref Area Belt Bag is inside. That's about it. Guys, I actually bought this Senref Area Belt Bag during Black Friday sale end of last year, and it was really too good not to buy at that point. And I believe when I purchased more than 300 USD, I was given a gold chain strap for free to use along with this Senref Area Belt Bag. And when I hit 500 USD, I was given also a super mini bag, which I will show you guys as well. I forgot the name exactly. I think it's like called, I tried to put the name of the bag. Is a super small and super cute, and I super love that small bag, which I will show you guys as well shortly. Love those free gifts, and also overall, if you're first time buying Senref bag, you can actually get a 5% welcome discount code. So it's really too good not to buy at that point with this quality that you are getting, which I'll be showing you guys right now. This is actually the first bag that I got attracted even without any logo on this bag. This is considered also a luxury bag without any logo. You can see most of my bags at the back, you can actually at least see some small logos, small little logos on it. This is the first bag actually without any logo, but I'm still very attracted to this bag because of the quality, the feel of it. I forgot to tell you guys that this is of course made of genuine Italian leather. I remember that when I first unboxed this and I put it on the table, and when I walk into my closet, I could smell the leather smell. It smells so nice, guys. And guess what color that I selected? There are plenty of colors, and I believe this is of a limited edition color as well. That's what they stated in their website. They still have a lot of other colors, and I chose this limited edition color. It is called the cream color. Are you guys ready? Da-da! Love this bag so much, guys. Love the color. This is the cream color. Love it, love it, love it. It is 100% made of full grain Italian leather, made in Italy as well, and it's handcrafted everything. It is so structured, so high quality, so elegant, so beautiful, so feminine, structured, strong in a way, but also still looking very feminine. Really love the quality of it. It is so easy to maintain, guys, with this leather. You just need to use damp cloth, and that's about it. And it is also water resistant, so carefree bag, and very lightweight and very versatile. I don't have to talk about this bag. It's very versatile. Later on I will show you guys the modeling shots or different ways on how I can style this bag. You will be amazed with the number of ways that we could actually wear this bag, guys. As I was planning on this video, I tried to write down different ways of wearing this bag. I was so shocked and so amazed with the number of ways that I could wear this bag, guys. You got to see it yourself shortly. And I purposely chose this color because it's so versatile. This color, you can easily go with any of your outfit. It's very easy to open as well, but it's secure in a way. There's a snap closure, magnetic snap closure over here, right? Open it. And that's how you open. and inside is this material. I will show you again a close-up look. This is like a velvet material and it's a little bit dark color. It's like grayish tone, so at least I think it will not get dirty easily. And there is a leather shoulder strap given inside. There's a zip compartment inside, 2 slots for the card, and also 1 zip compartment inside. That's about it. Quite spacious and roomy as well. It's not too big and also not too small, this bag. So later on I will show you guys with this strap and this bag, different ways of wearing this bag. There are tons of ways that we could wear this bag. Really love this bag, guys. Oh, actually there's also a pocket right in front here, and it is so durable, so elegant, so durable, so pretty, beautiful, water resistant. And of course, maybe perhaps when I use longer, I can share with you guys the pros and cons, and also what fits inside this bag perhaps. But today I'm just going to do a very quick unboxing and also show you guys multiple ways of wearing this bag with this leather strap. And also let me just show you guys the gold chain that was given for free as well. This is again the packaging when I received. Not impressive at all, but don't worry, good stuff is always inside. And we don't have to worry that the things inside will be damaged. It's properly packaged. And there's this dust bag given even for the gold chain. The gold chain, if you purchase separately, you probably have to pay, I believe, around 100 USD. I tried to put the price tag for you guys, but this was given for free during that Black Friday sale to use along with this Aria belt bag. So really too good not to purchase at that point. This was the gold chain given, and honestly I would prefer the gold chain to be a little bit matte rather than shiny gold. This is actually shiny gold, but depends on your preference. I normally prefer matte gold rather than super shiny gold, so to me this is of a shiny gold. So later on, I will show you guys again different ways of wearing the Aria belt bag with this gold chain as well. Multiple ways that you could wear that bag with this gold chain. Super love this bag, so versatile and very thoughtful that even this gold chain has this dust bag given. Ta-da! The next free gift that was given for free is something that is inside this small dust bag. It is a mini, super mini bag inside this small dust bag. Can you imagine how small is that bag? But I super love this bag, guys. It is a full leather bag as well. I super love it. I believe at that point, if you purchase more than 500 USD, and for the first 100 customers, you'll be given this bag for free. Because I love the Aria belt bag as well as this super mini bag. Both I love. That's why without any hesitation, I pulled the trigger. I made that decision. So I just purchased immediately. And I'm so lucky that I managed to get this for free for first 100 customers during that Black Friday sale. It is a full leather bag, although it is super tiny. Let me just show you guys. The moment when I saw this bag on the website, sorry, I haven't finished yet. The moment when I saw this bag on the website, I was very attracted to this super small bag. When I saw the price tag, I was not ready to pay this price tag for this small bag. So that's why I waited, and when they gave this promotion for first 100 customers, need not wait, I just placed the order immediately. And I'm so lucky, I'm so happy to have this for free. Da-da! It's such a cutie, guys. So small, so cute. I really love this bag. Full leather as well, same like the Aria belt bag. Full leather, and look at the workmanship. It is so good. High quality leather made in Italy. There's a snap closure also. You could fit your AirPod Pro, perhaps some sweets or candy for your little ones, and maybe a lipstick as well. It is so cute, guys. I really love it. There's a clip at the back here. You could hang this on your tote bag or some bigger bags, so you could hang this as an accessory. It's so cute. And there was this strap given as well, also full leather. It is so cute, guys. And also this color, this blue color, I believe there are all 4 colors, but at that point only this and the black one were available. The other 2 were sold out, so it's only this blue or the black one. So I'm glad that I chose this blue color. If you guys have the Dior bag, I'm sure it works very well. Imagine you are styling this as a cute shoulder bag and holding your Dior tote bag. Unfortunately, I don't have one to show you guys, but I believe it works so well and looks so good, guys, so stylish. I hope to own one maybe in future after the pandemic, if possible, then I could style this together with this bag. However, with this cute little bag alone, it also looks very trendy, very stylish as well. I really love this bag, this small bag. In fact, I got even more excited when I saw this bag, this small bag. Really love it. Later on I will show you guys how I will style this bag with this strap together, different ways of styling this bag or wearing this bag. Shortly I will show you guys. It's also carefree bag, just like the Era belt bag. My kids was also attracted to this small bag. I have a girl. I will also get my girl to show you guys how she can also style this cute bag. So this one bag, you could share it with your small girl as well. Small little girl could also wear this bag. Later on I will show you guys how a small little girl could also style this bag, so you can have fun this bag along with your little girl. Isn't it great? Such a versatile bag, such a cute bag. Really love it. Forgot to mention that this bag actually came in a few sizes. You could check online yourself. It has bigger version and a medium version. I have a few versions, but I love this smallest version. Smallest version of all. I really love this smallest version. They have bigger version, which is probably more practical. You could transform to a laptop bag, and a day-to-day bag is way more practical, and also price point very reasonable. You guys could check it out yourself online. This is the last item that I purchased during that Black Friday sale. So I got this statement shoulder strap as well. I guess I was probably a little bit crazy at that point. I got this statement strap as well. This was actually to be used with a Luna bag. I will show you guys the photo, which I have yet to purchase the bag, but I purchased the strap first. So that was because I need to purchase up to 500 USD in order to get the free small bag that I just showed you guys just now, the free bag. So I have no choice, so I was searching through, and I thought that in future most likely I will be getting the Aluna bag in mini size as well. So why not I just get the shoulder statement strap first. Maybe in future, if I really love those bags, I could purchase another mini Aluna bag, which is next. It is also such a statement piece. Very neutral color. Love that color. I will insert that color. Very neutral color. I don't have that color in my collection yet, as you can see, so I don't mind to have that bag. And the price point is also very reasonable and very durable, the bag, and versatility wise is also very good, very versatile, I believe. So let's see. Those are all the items that I received from the Black Friday sale end of last year. Right now I'm going to show you guys multiple ways, so many ways that I could style those bags. I'm going to show you guys shortly, and I will also get my little girl to show you guys how she could style the small little blue bag, which I just showed you guys just now, the Mili Mastria, how we could enjoy the bag together. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up and do consider subscribing. Just click the subscribe button down below. So stay tuned and I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye, guys.